Hi everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me today. Today I have some cards that I would like to share with you, and these cards I've made using the Christmas Plaids little paper pad from Recollections. It's full of all these brightly colored Christmas plaids basically. So there's 24 sheets in here, and so I've pulled out a couple designs or patterns that I wanted to use, and I've got a few spread out here so you can see, and I'll go ahead and show you the cards that I've done. So here's the first one. I've used this pretty kind of red and gray plaid on here, and I use my rectangle die for the background on here, and these are just A2 card bases, so a very easy size. And I used a die cut that said Mary, and so it's kind of got where the letters pop out, and then you can see the background underneath there. And then I've done a rectangle die, you can see here, in a different plaid pattern, and used my rectangle die to cut out just on a white cardstock there, and stamped Christmas on there. I just add a little stickle on there to dress it up. I had a little poinsettia die, so I die cut out those two little poinsettia and popped them up on some 3D tape. Added some stickle to the center of that. And then on the inside, I just stamped a couple of the poinsettias in the corner. And so that's basically it for that one. And then I've done another one here with a pretty paper. This one has green and navy and burgundy in it with a little fine gold stripe in there. And that's in a diagonal kind of plaid. And then for this one, I used my scallop die cuts and cut out the screen pattern on the back here. I think I have another one right here with these kind of little leaf design. And then the white one there, I stamped Merry Christmas in black ink. I used my little pine bough stamp and stamped a few of those little branches on there. And then also used the poinsettias on there as well. And I think that turned out really, really pretty. And then on the inside, I just stamped a couple of the pine boughs on there as well. So I think those turned out really nice. I love the plaids in here. You can do lots of neat cards with them. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to put, I'm working on the last one here, so I'm gonna show you how to finish that off. So stay tuned. So hope you enjoy making these, and thanks so much for watching, and let's put this together.